forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. We are back with another house tour. This time we are on the south coast of the island and the development is called Whitehouse Beach Club. Directly opposite the development there is a beach. Residents do get private access to this beach. So Whitehouse Beach Club. Guys, the model unit that we are going to be looking at today is called the Lunar Sands, as you can see. The Lunar Sands is 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathroom. It comes with a garage, pool and a sea view. With these developments, guys, you have the option of purchasing the lots. So there are different lot sizes and there are 7 types of designs. So this is the Lunar Sands design, but there are 7 other designs. Guys, if you are interested in having a 4th bedroom, you can have a 4th bedroom, but it just means that you will not have a garage. If you do not like the pool at the back of the property, you can have the pool built at the side of the property. So guys, you get a lot of influence and you have a lot of say in how the house is designed. Some of the designs here that we saw included a jacuzzi and a pool. Some didn't have a pool at all. So if you don't want a pool and you want to have maybe a bigger outside space for maybe a garden or a big patio area, then you can do that too. So the property we're going to be looking at today is this unit that you can see in front of you, the Lunar Sands, and this is the back of the property. So guys, you can see the side of the property and the back of the property. There you can see the pool. And you can see the master bedroom is at the top where you can see the balcony there. Right guys, directly opposite is the beach. That's a private beach, as you can see. And here you can see this is the walkway that leads directly under the road over to the beach. So residents get to use this walkway to access the private beach, okay? So guys, just to take a look at that pool, how nice is that? And there are 2 ways that you can enter through the back of the property. If you don't like the idea, guys, of having the back of the property and the pool facing the road, you can flip the property and you can have the pool on the other side, but we'll show you an example in a short while. So this is one of the entrances and this leads in through to the living area, and this door at the back leads into the kitchen and the dining area. So let's just have a quick look. So as you're walking through the back of the property, there is the kitchen and the dining area. There's the architect there. And just a quick shot of the living room and the stairs. That brown door there, guys, in front of you is the front door, okay? So now we are at the front of the property, just to give you an idea of what it looks like from the front. And here you can see there is a carport. That is the front door to the property, and this is the side door from the carport. So as you come in through the carport, through the side entrance, there is the washroom. And of course you have storage space. The white door to the right, guys, is a door that just leads to the side of the house, okay? So that's another way of coming into the property. Okay, and then we go straight into the kitchen. And to the side, to the right of the kitchen, as you come in, is the pantry. And there is the kitchen. And again, guys, the design of the kitchen is up to you. If these are not your taste of cupboards, you have a choice of the cupboards, of the countertops, okay? Guys, a great thing with this development is that it comes with all of the appliances and it comes with the AC too throughout the property. So all of the appliances and the AC is included. So that goes straight through into the dining area. And of course, directly in front of you is the pool, access to the pool. So there is the living area. And there is that front door. That is the main entrance. Okay, just to give you an idea of how tall these ceilings are, it's very open, the model unit. And there are the stairs. Again, guys, if this is not your taste of stairs, you can have concrete stairs, okay? So as we come in through the front door, we have one of the bedrooms downstairs. Now remember, this is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom unit. So one of the bedrooms is on the floor. What you will notice about these properties is the amount of windows in each room and the amount of natural light that comes in. So already you can see 1, 2, 3 windows, 4 windows actually, in this bedroom alone. So lots of natural light. We have a built-in closet. And then we have the ensuite bathroom. Again, if these tiles and the design of the bathroom is not to your taste, you get to choose the tiles, the vanity unit, the shower, you know, the regular fixtures and fittings. You get to choose. But of course, this is just for an idea. This is the model unit. Again, guys, those windows, lots of windows. So lots of natural light coming into the room. And this room is facing the front of the property. Okay, as we come out of the downstairs bedroom, you can see under the stairs is quite a big space and they've got a couch there. So you can use that area for whatever you like. So as we go up the first flight of stairs, there is a big window on this landing, a very big window. And there are windows right throughout the property, which I'm going to be showing you now. These windows, guys, are operated by remote control, okay? Or the blinds, should I say, are operated by remote control. Okay, at the top of the stairs are 2 bedrooms. So we have a bedroom directly in front of us. Just to give you another idea of all of those windows. You can see right down into the living room. So it is very open. So we have a bedroom directly in front of us. And there is a bedroom to the right too. There is another big window there, guys, right above the front door. Okay, so this bedroom directly in front of us is the master bedroom, okay? The master bedroom. This bedroom is facing the back of the property. So again, lots of windows. So you have the balcony, you have the big window to the right, and then you have these little windows, as you would have seen, at the top, near the ceiling. So there are those small windows at the top. And those small windows are also on the other side of the room. And you'll see those coming up now. So let's go and have a look on the balcony, guys. Look at that. Can you imagine waking up every morning to this view? I could. So you have the ocean view directly outside of your bedroom. And of course you have the view of the pool also. And again, guys, if you don't like the idea of the back of the house being on the roadside, you can flip the house, okay? So there is a design for this Lunar Sands where the pool is at the front and the front is at the back, if that makes sense. So you can turn the house completely around or reverse it. So you've got your balcony area. And then we have the master ensuite bathroom. So it's kind of divided. There's a dividing wall in the bathroom, and you have your kind of closet area. You have big built-in closets here, so lots of storage space. And on the other side of the wall is the bathroom. And what's nice about this bathroom is that you have a separate shower and a separate bathtub. And guys, just to reiterate again, if this style is not to your liking, the tiles or the fixtures and fittings, you have a say in what you would like, okay? Okay, and opposite you have the face basin and vanity unit. Again, you have these windows right throughout. So this bathroom just goes round in one big circle. So that's the master bedroom. Master bedroom. Okay, to the right is the third bedroom. The layout of this bedroom is very similar to the layout of the bedroom downstairs, okay? The only difference with this bedroom is that it has a balcony. Downstairs does not have a balcony, but this bedroom does. But the layout is very similar. Again, lots of window space. Lots of windows. So you have your closet and you have your ensuite bathroom. So there are 4 windows in this bedroom, not including the balcony window. So the layout of this bathroom is identical to the layout of the bathroom in the bedroom downstairs. Shower. Okay, let's have a look at the balcony. Remember, this bedroom is facing the front of the property. Okay, so this is the front of the property. And you can see some of the other houses and some of the other designs. Guys, we were lucky enough to be able to go and view some of the other houses and some of the other designs, and we will be showing you these other houses in another video, so please watch out for that. Just to give you an idea of the size of the balcony. And remember, guys, you can see the garage from here. If the garage is something that you're not interested in, you can always build a 4th bedroom there, okay? So that is the 3rd bedroom. Okay, back downstairs, guys. The front door, as we can see. To the direct right, as you come in through the front door, is the powder room. So remember, this is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom property. So we have the powder room. And guys, the prices of these properties do start at $550,000 US dollars. $550,000 US dollars. So this is the powder room downstairs as you come in through the property. Guys, it's such a lovely property. It's beautiful. And this is the Lunar Sands. Guys, do you remember me saying that you can flip the property? Well, this is the Lunar Sands flipped. So this is the front of the property, which is facing the roadside and is facing the beach also. But on this property, they're going to be putting the pool at the side of the property. So the pool will be at the side of the property in this development. Okay. So guys, stay tuned for our videos to come. We're going to be showing you some of the other properties in the Whitehouse Beach Club. Guys, we hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And until next time, that me say.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.